Today we will see how to solve a simultaneous equation problem using the method of elimination. The basic idea behind this method is very simple. We try to remove one variable completely by combining the two equations. When we add or subtract the equations correctly, one variable disappears and the problem becomes much easier to solve. In this case, we decide to eliminate the variable y. To do that, we first look at the numbers written in front of y in both equations. These numbers are called coefficients. Our goal is to make these coefficients exactly the same, so that one positive and one negative will cancel each other out. Here, the coefficients of y are different, so we choose a common multiple that both numbers can become. The smallest common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. To get 6 here, we multiply the first equation by 3, so that the term with 2 times y becomes 6 times y. Then we multiply the second equation by 2, so that minus 3 times y becomes minus 6 times y. This step does not change the meaning of the equations. It only rewrites them in a more useful form. After multiplying the first equation by 3, every term in that equation changes. 3x becomes 9x. 2y becomes 6y. The number on the other side also gets multiplied by 3 and becomes 21. Now we do the same for the second equation. 5x becomes 10x. Minus 3y becomes minus 6y. The number on the other side becomes twice of 37 or 74. At this point, both equations contain 6y and minus 6y. This is exactly what we wanted. Now we add the two equations together. When we do this, 6y and minus 6y cancel each other out and become 0. That means y disappears completely. We are left only with terms involving x. 9x plus 10x gives 19x. On the other side, 21 plus 74 gives 95. Now the equation is much simpler. We have 19x equals 95. To find x, we divide both sides by 19. When we do this, we get the value of x as 5. Once we know the value of x, the problem is not finished yet. We still need to find the value of y. To do that, we substitute the value of x back into one of the original equations. We can use either equation, so we choose the first one. We replace x with 5. 3 times 5 gives 15. We subtract 15 from both sides, which leaves 2y equals minus 8. Finally, we divide both sides by 2, and we get y equals minus 4. See, it was so simple. This is how the method of elimination works.